In 7th grade, I was out of school for about like 9 months, in and out of the hospital. There was some super amazing staff that like helped me through it. I like decided that I wanted to be a person that makes a positive impact on people. So I knew I wanted to be in the medical field so that I could give back. My name is Bevin Mutsos, and I'm working as a pharmacy technician right now. I did the pharmacy technician program through Dixie Tech. It was really nice because I did it while I was in high school, and they actually had the course at the high school. I loved the teachers and instructors. They were like super helpful, and I loved my class too. They were really awesome. Dixie Tech gave us a very good overview of like pharmacy in general, and so all of us were set up for success with wherever we went. Just opened lots of doors for me to kind of experience healthcare in a different way and be able to put my foot into that world. Here you get a lot of interaction with people. We count lots of prescriptions. The staff here is amazing. It gives you a very good opportunity to have something after high school, and the pharmacy is a wonderful job and career. When I started the course, I didn't really have any idea about pharmacy at all other than pills. So I started from like the ground up, like how you like type in the medical field, shortened abbreviations of words. We learned how to count. We learned like brand and generic of everything, work insurance and take calls and type prescriptions. And it's really cool. At the college, they actually have pharmacy simulation. That's basically a full working pharmacy. It was really good practice. There's a lot of chaos, but I feel like Dixie Tech helped prepare a lot of that for me. Long term, I actually want to be a nurse and working in the hospital. While going to nursing school, working in the pharmacy is like a really good way to make money and learn more about that stuff, because when you're working in a field like that, you need to have a good grasp on like different medications. And that's been really cool, and I've already seen like lots of doors open for me with doing that program.